Wouldn't you like to make money while surfing apps? You can get paid for testing cool apps and have fun with your friends in the process. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $120 plus per app you test on your phone. No computer or coding skills are required. I'll also share the best places to look for these types of opportunities and how to find companies looking for testers. So, watch the video all through, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's jump to our today's video. Have you ever wished that you could make money doing what you love? Testerup is an app that will help you do just that. You have the opportunity to test apps and make money while doing it. This could be the perfect side hustle for anyone looking to make some extra cash. Testerup is a user testing platform that rewards you for testing mobile apps and websites. The major method to earn on this platform is to test mobile apps and websites. Simply, you can sign up using Facebook, a Google account, or your email. You can log into the member dashboard using your PC or mobile. You'll instantly view all available test offerings. You'll also quickly know whether these offers urge you to test a mobile app or website. Each offer will inform you how much money you'll get for taking the test. You can earn to $120 per test. Each member receives over 50 offers to test, worth over $800 immediately after completing the free registration. Test anytime from anywhere via smartphone, computer, or tablet. For any test offer, you may quit whenever you choose and still collect your profits as long as you've done part of the test. Testerup has premium offers you may work on. After you finish 5, you'll be a premium tester. As a premium tester, unlocking even higher paid offers and the possibility to earn more money. Testerup also has a referral program. Every time your referral completes a test, you'll get a 10% commission. It's a passive type of income, but you must invite individuals who are interested. You can receive your earnings safely with an easy few-click payout process. You can begin the payout process of your earnings at any chosen time. The transfer takes place within 24 hours, and you receive your earnings straight to your PayPal account. In the end, don't forget to check the description box for amazing money-making hacks, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.